This is Chris Perry with Accurate Building Inspections, doing a sewer line inspection at 1525 Southwest Pendleton, going through a clean out just off the right front corner of the driveway, right adjacent to the garage. Okay, this transition here is where we're picking up the basement level, like the laundry, for instance. As you can see, we got a little bit of pooling water right here. Okay, so we have a belly in the line for just a few feet there, it looks like. Okay, we got some pooling starting here at about 26 feet. It's about an inch is all. Okay. Okay, stop right there. Okay, keep on going. So part of the line's been replaced at some point. ABS, actually. ABS. Yeah. Okay, back up a little bit, Tony. Okay, move it around a little bit because it's got coated with something again. You know what? Sit, I'm going to flush the toilet.
Yeah, that pipe I was telling you about over there in the basement looks very much like that.
Similar to that one, okay. We'll confirm what it is.
Okay, move the camera a little bit.
It could be a clean out for the storm drains. Not for the sewer, but for the storm drains.
Okay, keep on going now. It's there.
We'll make
So I
sure.
can't see a thing. There we go. Okay, let's wait a minute. Yep. Okay, stop. I'll wait for the flow. Yeah, see this one, at a higher elevation, we pick up the kitchen and the bathroom, and then we drop down into another line that's picking up the basement level.
Okay.
We got a little bit of pooling water there too. I mean, it's not severe, but it is pooling. When you have pooling or ponding water, where like if there's a little belly to the line, you'll get debris that can kind of collect there. Okay, go ahead and go, Tom. You know, it's only 69 feet so far.
Well, but it's...
Haven't had any, like, right angle turns.
No, there was... You remember that first...
Well, the first one into this main, the one that serves the lower.
So I'm just going to go for it, and if you see city, then we'll back out.
Yeah.
That's water flowing down?
Yes.
Where would that be coming from?
Well, I had the sink on, and now you hear the toilet flushing. This... Looks like there's a city right there.
I hope so.
Huh. Well, let's locate this, Don. I don't know that you're going to get past this point.
And one more flush, maybe. We got a few feet, didn't we?
I can see the opening of another line, and it's a larger line. It looks to be about 3 or 4 feet in front of me. The more turns there are in the line, the more difficult it is to get the camera to go through.
Yeah.
So sometimes you try to flush it through, it kind of helps push it through. Well, you're not budging. Let's locate that. I'm pretty sure we're in the street now. Okay, we'll see where we're at right now. It looks like right here is the, well, now we have water. Right at the top of the screen is the city line. So we're within a few feet of the actual city line. So anyways, part of the line's been replaced. You see the plastic, the ABS there? Originally, it would have been all concrete, most likely. They must have had an issue at some point, so they replaced, I think, about 40 feet of it. And then this ABS hubs onto a concrete line that takes us into the city. So he'll see where we're at right now.
You know, we never had to do that in New Hampshire.
Well, these things have only been around for about 10 years. These cameras.
Well, we just sold our houses in June.
Mm-hmm.
I'm amazed at some people that don't have sewer scopes when they buy a house. A lot of people buy them.
Nobody ever thought of it.
Yeah.
The guy that bought the house for his with his family wanted to have me pay for cutting down 12 trees, which never was going to happen. But he didn't want to scope the sewer.
It's kind of a no-brainer. I mean, I've never seen a repair less than $1,500. So when you think about spending $135 to have it done, it's money well spent.
Yeah.
And some repairs can be...
Now, what is that?
The camera has a transmitter on it.
Yeah.
And that device will locate it where it's at in the street. Where it's, you know, if there were a problem, it'll tell us where the problem is.
It's good, though.
So she wrapped up tanks, because I saw a couple of them.
Don't touch any of this stuff, it's
No.
nasty.
Yeah, I won't have any of it taken out of here if you want, or we can leave it in case touch up.
What is the blue that needs to be touched? I don't know which one is it.
We got a couple. Here we go. She
Yeah.
got the kitchen stairwell.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
We might have to see when we put that down.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Here's the,
Yeah. And I can ask you,
so
you
the
know.
skylight. Oh, yeah, there it is.
And there's the vacuum.
Vacuum, yep.
Of course, I don't know how to use a vacuum like that. That's beside the point.
It's pretty easy.
I figured.
Now that vacuum, is that just the garage?
No, so it has a central vacuum system throughout the whole house. So this is the bag basically. And when we go back in, I'll show you where it is. But you connect that hose. There's little outlets at the bottom of the wall. You connect the hose and you just vacuum wherever you're at. So you don't have to drag a vacuum cleaner all around. You just take the hose. That's the example.
Okay, and of course, I don't know how to clean it, but we'll find out.
Yeah.
So, taking that out, dumping it.
Yeah, there's the city there. We're at 70 feet 7 inches. We've located this out in the middle of the street. Looks like we're about 2 feet short of the sewer line.
disaster.
Okay, we've located this, this pool of water here out in the front yard. We've marked it with green paint. It's at a depth of about 7 feet. Okay, we do have just a slight bit of pooling there where the upper line ties into the basement line, but not an urgent issue.